guys, it's your girl Courtney here. I am back with another video. That is right. I am back with okay, first of all, here's the disclaimer. I did not buy a new purse. Michael Kors handbag collection. This is not all of my handbags. This is strictly my favorite design of his handbags, and that is the Hamilton Tote. If I'm not mistaken, he has discontinued it. I don't know because I've been in the store. However, I did not purchase anything, okay? I must say, out of all of his handbags, the Hamilton Tote has been by far my favorite. So without further ado, I will give you guys a look at my Hamilton Tote collection by Michael Kors. Don't ask me what years these were. Don't ask me what specific collection. I don't know if it's spring, fall. I don't know. I just know when I saw them, I bought them. And they're all on the floor. And we'll start with this one because this one's the closest to me. This is the brown Hamilton Tote. I just love the structure of it. To me, it's a classic bag. And I'm not even gonna tell you all a fib. I probably have carried this probably 5 times. And this is the perfect time of year to carry it. But this is the Michael Kors Hamilton Tote. I am not sure. It's like a camel brown color. You know, I could do a better job at stuffing my bags. I use these Air Plus that comes in like Amazon packages and stuff it down in there. But then when my little dog Sydney's around, she likes to pop them. But anyway, this is the first bag, and it is a brown Hamilton Tote. If you can see it, it is bourgeois. I just love the structure of the bag. Like, I feel like this is like really cute, like cuffed under your arm, like right here. I don't know if you guys can see me, but like if it's cuffed like this, I think that's really cute. But anyway, so this is the first bag. This is, of course, it has the lock and key, has the gold MK hardware, and then you can also wear it like that. I'm gonna back up. Yeah, so okay, so that's the first one. And I'm talking fast because my camera battery is about to run out of juice. Okay, so this is the first one of my Kors Hamilton Tote. The next up is, this one doesn't, you know, this is my white one, and it has the holes. You remember the collection that had the holes in it? I love this bag. However, I do have the, I have the, that in it, and it does a horrible job of keeping its shape, but it's still nonetheless pretty. Probably just need to get more and stuff it in there completely full. But this is the second one. Of course, it has, these are authentic bags, you guys. I'm not going to show you anything that's not real. This is the white Michael Kors Hamilton Tote with the gold hardware. So that is the second one in the Hamilton Tote, the Hamilton Tote collection. Next up, I don't know what color this is. I don't know if you want to call it teal, ocean, whatever. Here is the next one. This one is not reading. It's a little darker, but more green, but it's showing up a lot blue on camera. This is a beauty. I thought this is like one of my favorite colors, like the aqua green blue color. This is more on the blue side. However, it has also the gold detailing like the other ones that I showed you. Top handles, strap, lock and key, lock. I mean, you don't use it, but you know, cuff of the arm. So this is my third baby. And it's like a blue-green, but it's like a darker color. And I don't know what color it is, so don't give me the lion. And so the next up is, Okay, so guys, don't judge me in the comment section because I don't have time, okay? Just know that I'm going to ignore you. I know I could do a better job at stuffing my bags. I know that. Okay? Don't tell me. I already know. You telling me ain't going to change a thing. Here is one of my favorite out of the Michael Kors Hamilton totes. Gold hardware. This was like one of my favorite. One of my absolute favorite. It is definitely a statement bag. And this is what I'm saying. Like, I could do a better job at stuffing. I really have nothing in there. This is the yellow one. And gosh, I just remember wanting this bag super, super, super duper bad. Like, I had to have this bag. So I went out and got this baby. And yeah, and I could probably do as bad as I wanted and as much as I carried it are two different things, but it is a beautiful bag. Like, it's beautiful. The hardware is still intact. None of the jewels have come off. The only thing is I need to stuff it so it'll keep its shape, but love, love, love this color bag. Love it, love it. Got the Michael Kors detailing. Beautiful. So, that's for the fifth bag I am going to show you. I'm guilty because this is orange, I think I gravitate toward this more towards Halloween, the month of October. Not even the fall, the month of October. Guilty, yes, I know. This is my orange Hamilton tote. Once again, it has the gold detailing, the long strap. All of these have the same thing as far as hardware. I think all of my they all have gold hardware, lock and key, top handles, strap, beautiful. They have a little weight to them, but the thing that I love most is seriously, like, the structure of the bag is beautiful. And this orange just so pops. I feel like you can wear this spring and summer. Spring, summer, winter, and fall. I think you just gotta know how to rock it, but it's beautiful. I'm guilty because I wear the same, like, 2 bags all the time because they're easy. Probably because I don't like to take these off the shelf and take the bubbles out of them, the stuffing out of them. However, I will get better at that. Because I'm like, why do I have all these bags and I don't carry them? Guilty. Where is the next one? All right, so that one was orange, and this is, I believe, I want to say the color watermelon, but like I said, I don't know any of these colors. I don't even know where you can find these bags anymore because, from my understanding, he no longer makes the Hamilton tote. So, yeah. So I don't even know if you could tell the pretty watermelon looking color. No, she has a pink one. This is such a summer bag. Like, I feel like it's a summer bag. I feel like it's showing up. I don't know how it's showing up on camera. I don't know if it looks watermelon to you guys or not, but oh gosh, this color popped on the shelves during the springtime when this came out. Like, it was so pretty. Like, you can even wear it with what I have on now. Like, just something like really, I just love this color. I don't know what it is about this color, but it just pops. And I'm one that if it stands out, I want it. Like, my sister's like, Courtney, everything doesn't have to be a showstopper. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. It's like 2 different. I'm a color person. Like, when it comes to wintertime, I'm like I love the fire and the hot chocolate and stuff, but like when the summertime comes and you give me some color, that is all me. All me. That's all me for real. I don't know that song. I just know that part. Don't judge me. The next thing, we'll try it. This is the pink Hamilton tote. Once again, gold hardware, top handles, all of that's the same because I'm showing you the same exact bag, just different colors. This is the pink one I have. My mom has the same one, but she has silver hardware. But to me, I love gold. So the gold hardware popped made more sense for my jewelry and, you know, the things that I wore. So I'll do a side-by-side comparison. Slightly different, but different. Oh gosh, so pretty. Love, 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 love. Once again, I think this is a summer bag. And when I'm looking at them on camera, I probably haven't worn this bag in 2 years. But when I look at it, it's classic though. It's a classic bag. But when I look at it, I'm like, I need to pull this back out. Like, yeah, I understand everybody wants Chanel, Gucci, Prada, Louis, but come on. Everybody, they're not knocking off these Michael Kors Hamilton totes. Not that I've seen. Next bag is, this is, all with the exception of this bag, I purchased all of my Hamilton totes. My fiance, back then boyfriend, now fiance, got me this bag, and he got me the matching shoes. Oh, wore the shoes till they literally fell apart. This was one of my absolute favorite. Difference is this is the soft leather, and I think that white one with the holes in it, pull it up, give me a second. This one, these two are beautiful. Michael Kors, just want y'all to know what's up. These two are beautiful. However, they're soft leather, and they, if you can see in the camera, horrible at keeping their shape. However, nonetheless, they are statement pieces and they are showstoppers. This is the black with the gold. Once again, much like this one, much like this yellow one, none of the studs have come off or anything. Like, great bags. One thing about these bags, maybe I'm just weak, but they got a little weight to them. Let me just say that they have a little weight to them. But once again, this is one of my favorite pieces in his Hamilton tote collection. Okay, one more. Oh, what did I just do? Okay, I'm tearing up stuff. Okay. So this one, if I'm going to a Carolina Panther game or wearing my Carolina Panther sweats, this is the bag I gravitate towards. This blue. And it is definitely, it's the hard leather. Once again, I need to do a better job at stuffing these bags. But this blue is gorgeous. It reminds me of the beach, the ocean, tropical. And when you compare it, slightly different, but different in color. More fall, more spring, more fall, more spring. You want to pop here. You want to be cute. That's it. The last but not least, the last bag I have. Courtney. Before I show you these bags, just know that I'm just like messing with the shape of them. My red Hamilton tote. It's beautiful. Gold hardware. Very shiny leather, which I do love. It's very, very ritzy looking. It's a statement because this really, really pops when you wear it with the shiny leather. See the difference in the leather, the shine. This one, love, 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 love. Great holiday bag. Doesn't even have to be holiday, you know. I'm just showing you comparison in color. Watermelon red, I think that's this color. I really think that was this color, is watermelon. But then you have the red, and you can see the difference between the shine. Love it. And then you have the pink one that I showed you. See the difference, they pop. But that, you guys, is it for my Michael Kors Hamilton tote collections. If you have any questions, leave it down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Don't forget, if you like these kind of videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Courtney Mason and follow my online boutique at Courtney's Closet. I will put a link down below. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.